I think the best thing for you to do if you want to earn money online and have just an online business, a home business, a business you can work on your computer or your cell phone, is to have it done for you related. Okay? And what does that mean? It's done for you. That means the website, it's already made, done for you. There's a capture page where, usually people will click something to watch a short video. And if you're interested in more information or want to join, okay, that's kind of the capture page. It's like, boom, catching that football or maybe getting that little baby in your arms. Okay, that might be you. That's right. I might be just cradling you. Hopefully you're not 250 pounds and you're a mechanic named Chuck. But I'll do my best to cradle everybody that needs more information or wants to join my team, okay? But yes, capture pages, a lot of them are done for you. The website, done for you. All training, 100% done for you. Just short little videos on how to upload to TikTok, to YouTube, how to upload to Facebook and find Facebook groups, how to just copy our texts you can send, email form. There's a lot of communication out there, right? I mean, you're probably watching me on a cell phone or maybe through the old boob tube. That's what my Aunt Alta used to call it. But yes, I'm on a TV monitor. Okay, is that all right? Do I have enough white on? Boy, if I spill today eating an enchilada, I'm going to freak out. Yes, I went to Walmart. These shirts are only $7, and of course I cut the sleeves off, but they remind me of the old surfer OP shirts back in the 70s. So yeah, I bought a couple of these bad boys. They're so darn cheap. I also bought like a Funko Pop doll of Quint from Jaws. Do you remember he's the grumpy guy with the boat and he gets snacked on? Jaws eats his ass. Okay. All right. Anyway, done for you. Do you have $60? Okay. Do you have $19.97 a month? Good. $80. Okay. So far, so good. That's it. There's no more, and then there's more. Okay, there's more upgrades. You got to spend another $500 to $1,000 in order to get this, to do that. With Save Club, you don't need to be an affiliate if you don't want to. Okay, just save money. But I think that if you do save hundreds of dollars a month by being a member of Save Club, why not just spend that $60, get the website done for you, get the capture page, get all the training material, and just do what I'm doing. Invite people to click a link, and that's it. Okay, I know you can do this. This, I think, is the easiest opportunity all around out of the multiple businesses that I have going on right now. That's why I've made about 450, almost 500 videos already, just the first 45 days. That's a lot. It's time I can't get back, but I'm having fun doing this. And I don't really call this heavy lifting or work. All I do is turn on a webcam, talk for a few minutes, and upload my video to YouTube. JoinSaveClub.org. I want you to go there. Okay? Then when you join for that $60, you're going to go ahead and log in and go to the training tab. This is the back office live. And boy, the training portal, I am so excited for this. This is a game changer for me because I train hundreds of people, if not 1,000 right now in Save Club. Everybody turns to me that's not even in my group. Okay? I have a big team. And I always encourage people, get a hold of me. I don't care if you're in my group or not. All right? Most people, they're going to try to get people to sign up in their group, and then you're never going to talk to your upline because they're nervous or they just don't care. They're too busy shopping at Walmart for Jaws dolls like I do. But not me. I like to belong to a team. And my team, actually two, we're the biggest by far in Save Club. We dominate the leaderboard. As a matter of fact, I'm number 7 right now. Last time I checked. Yeah, let me go. I'll show you live here. Just to show that this guy all dressed in white isn't too much of a jive turkey. That's right, look, number 7. And I think by next month I should be in the top 3. I have no doubt I'm going to get 30, 40 more signups. So that'll put me about what, number 140 something? So yeah, do I want to be up here with my buddies? I'm a great pal of Mac. I just love Big Mac and Jason and Eric, all my buddies, Ed. These are great people and we have a good time. And they're good at what they do because they believe in promoting and making content every day. And everyone has their own techniques, just like I do, just like they do. But right now, I'm just telling you, if you join and for $60, man, you're going to just go slam dunk because the training here is insane. You hit the training portal, you have thousands of videos and pictures already made that you go ahead and upload wherever you want. Oh, I don't know how to upload. Well, good, because marketing materials, look at, there's the materials. Okay, now the training portal, look at what it trains you on. Okay, do you know how to write things? Good. If you don't, good, because you're going to copy and paste pre-written messages we've already written for you. Okay, it's going to show you how to get the marketing materials, and you click that orange button I just did. It's easy. Now, I don't know how to Facebook post. Well, don't worry. Look at that. Facebook, how to find Facebook groups. Okay, how about TikTok? It dominates. Between TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, these three right here, they probably rule the internet when it comes to social media. Now, of course, there's Instagram, and there's LinkedIn, and of course, there's X, which is formerly Twitter. But look at that. There's my gold mine. I owe YouTube a lot of gratitude because I've made bank the last 24 months just by screwing off and uploading videos similar to this. I don't know how to do a YouTube. Well, guess what? Watch this little video. We made it as simple as possible. This is not like a module course, and you have to sit for 5 days trying to figure out how to even watch the courses. This is you press a button, you watch. If you don't understand, rewind the darn thing. But get a home computer, get a laptop. It is easier to train. That's why I like to have a desk, pad, paper, and I have big monitors in front of me right now. But whatever your budget is, that's what it is. But you can do everything on cell phone if you'd like. I just like a bigger screen so my eyes don't get so darn tired. And I wear these glasses because I have one of those lights. You can see the little circle thing in my glass right there. There, look. It looks like I have two little weird eyes. I'm cross-eyed dude. So anyway, I'm a big fan of training, especially when it's built in. There's no more costs. You don't have to come up with, oh, and then there's more. There's so much content right here, guys. If you go into every one of these folders and just download all the content, put it on your phone, put it on your home computer, and you can do that by hitting these black buttons. Hit those little 3 buttons. Hit the word download, and everything inside the word non-branded, it's going to go right on your computer so you own it. Then you can go to YouTube and upload. Everyone's like, Cory, how do you upload so much? How do you do it? I go, guys, just watch the training. Go to the bottom here. Where's it at? Okay. All you got to do is just get a little ambitious. You got to go ahead and say, I'm going to do this. I think I can do this. I know I can do this. Don't psych yourself out. You can definitely do what I do. And that's just post a bunch of content like a madman. But right there, guys, how do I YouTube? Just watch this video, please. Just please watch it. I can't sit all day and teach how to do it because I actually do other stuff. Okay, I'm not looking to retire. I love to work. I have other businesses. And yes, I do have hobbies, and I screw off and produce car shows and do a lot of things. I go to concerts, but it's summertime right now as I produce this video. It's actually June 26th. I have to look at my computer. June 26th. And guess what? We're only 26 days old because June 1st, that's when we said ready, set, go. Now, for 30 days before June 1st, let's just say May Day, May 1st, we did a pre-launch and we made some videos and content where we're just getting people excited to go, okay, you can now join June 1st. We have content even before June 1st that works. That's how I was able to sign up well over 100 people already. And that's just my first month or so. I want you to duplicate. I want you to get 5 to 10 people. And if you're going to go ahead and blow the $80, is it going to go out the window like you gambled in Vegas? No, you're investing $80. $60 to be an affiliate, $20 to get that membership going. And just go all through the internet. All right, you're not going to break it. See where it says my deals right there. When you go to saveclub.com and log in, you're going to go to this page. Type in what you're searching for or your zip code. I put in a Salt Lake City one. So look, there's worldwide deals. You can go anywhere in the world. You can go to vacation, travels. This is just like Groupon and Save Club. Well, what else is there? Orbitz. Okay. Priceline. There's a lot of Save Clubs, but not worldwide and not with an affiliate where they pay you. You pay that $60 and you're going to freak out at all the training. You're going to feel so confident that you're going to know what to do. But look at all these deals. And when you put in your local zip code, local stores, like not the big ones like the CVS and the Walmart and the Domino's Pizza, but tiny places. My friend's tanning salon's in here. My friend's car wash is in here. My friend's automotive service place is in here. And how do you get your business in? Log into saveclub.com, go to My Deals, and then see at the bottom left here, it says, are you a merchant and want to work with us? Click Get Started and submit your business. And if it's approved, then yeah, you're going to get people coming and saving just like Wendy's. Look at Jiffy Lube. Look at this. Some of the biggest companies in the world, billion-dollar businesses, Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot. Okay? Sirius Satellite. I love it. But I love the little businesses too. And of course, Disneyland all over. I think they got a few billion, don't they? Lord knows, to go to Disneyland, you got to be a billionaire almost. You might as well save money. If you can save $100 or $200 on a vacation, just go to Orlando, go to Los Angeles. There's a lot of Disney worlds. Isn't there one being built in Dubai I just read? But it's up to you guys. I like to just save money locally here. It's summertime, so I had to buy a bunch of tires the other day. I bought a purple mattress. I go to food places that aren't the most healthy, but my gosh, they sure taste good. Have you ever been to Wendy's and accidentally bought one of the Frosties? Me too. I love them. So anyway, guys, I'll go ahead and end my video. Here you go. Save. Join Save who? joinsaveclub.org. That's the official sign up. There it is right there. There's the official sign up page. Fill your information out here. Watch this little video of our founder and then click that orange button. You're going to get more information about Save Club, or you can open the email you're going to get and just join from there. Totally up to you guys. No pressure, but I'm telling you what, there's not a lot of affiliates right now, and we have thousands of people a day signing up. So your chance of getting a few big fish that represent cities, states, and countries are now 26 days old. That's it. We already have tens of thousands of people signing up. I think we're going to be on par with 5 to 10 million, just like Priceline, Groupon, Orbitz. Some of the biggest save clubs in the world, they all have 5 to 10 million people. Some have way more than that. I am pretty sure we're going to dominate because we're worldwide, not just in America. Okay? And this affiliate thing goes for everybody. If you join and pay that $60, you're going to earn money or you have the opportunity to earn money just like I am right now. Okay? So, thanks for the last 12 minutes. Cory at CoryDraper.com. Go to join. Okay, I'm just going to show you. Sometimes when I just show you, it's just easier. joinsaveclub.org. Okay, that's it, guys. Thanks for your time. And email me if I can help you. And I hope you joined today. Pretty exciting stuff. Thanks for your time, guys. Take care.